Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru WRX. I just drove 3 STIs, so it's really nice to be able to take a look back at the normal WRX and realize that this is actually probably the better daily driver. And it's almost, well no, it's a little bit more than half the price, but it's a good discount over the STI. So it really makes you consider, do you need the STI? Personally, I would stretch for it, but this just proves that you really don't need to. $28,395 magnetite gray metallic. Really nice spec. This is powered by a 2.0 liter turbocharged flat 4 with the 6-speed manual, of course. CVT is available on the WRX, not the STI. This one is the base model, pretty much as entry level as you can get here. Faux carbon, really nice interior, comfortable cloth seats. I don't see any reason to complain. A little bit longer throws than the STI, but that also had the STI short shifter installed. Pedals are close together for heel toe. A big bonus with the WRX is it's much easier to drive. You can set it off without using the gas, and it doesn't get too upset at you. The clutch is a little bit lighter too. Over the bump. Really easy to drive. That's what I love about it. Ride's also a lot softer than the STI. It's still very firm in retrospect to a normal Impreza, but it's definitely a lot more comfortable. Oh. So much fun. So much fun. definitely comes on to boost way down low. Oh, there we go. Up and over. I've never driven the CVT version of the WRX. I know somebody who has one. They like it. I don't know. I would go manual all the way. I say this is easy to drive as I just almost stalled it. Oh man. You know, just as an overall package under 30 grand, there's a reason why there are so many of these out on the road. If you want to stand out, you can do a ton of mods to this. But as a base package, I wouldn't do much. I would not do much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.